Here's something interesting for you at 7 a.m. You know what that is? It is a sheet of ice over my air conditioner. I was really, it was getting warmer and warmer and warmer inside. I'm thinking, what's going on? And then it wasn't blowing very well. Well, it's because of the ice buildup. I still have some left on the inside part. I kind of took the hose to it. Then I decided to clean the squirrel cage. Look at all that dirt. That is disgusting. So that was in my, come on. See if I can get it back. There we go. That was in my squirrel cage. This is the squirrel cage in here. So I'm taking a brush. I had a bottle brush that I have a bottle brush that I've been using. But I'm going to go get a different kind of brush. Sorry. Dang it. I'm supposed to go somewhere. I have an appointment this morning. It's supposed to leave at 7:30. That's not going to happen now. Keep my babies safe. Got dogs in the RV. So what I gotta do is, ouch, be careful of the coils because they will cut you. So I'll just take this brush. Yeah, see all that debris coming off? Actually, this works better because I can see. There's a lot of debris buildup, which may have caused part of the freeze-up. So anyhow, I'm going to continue to work on that. Clean out this drain port. And lift this back up. Put it back in place when I'm done. And I have to have a towel there because that's to the interior of my RV. Recording, yeah. The thing is, you get weird looking white spiders. At least I did my roof the other day. Really, I should have done this spring. Why has it gotten so dirty this time? Because of that way over there, construction. It's nothing but dirt. And of course our dirt road around the park. So there you go. You can see rooftops up here. I can show everybody what their rooftop looks like. Anyhow, okay. Yeah, thank you road crew, thank you city, thank you county, thank you whoever. I don't even want that darn road. It's going to be a cut through from the freeway to here. So I'm not happy about that. Look at all that dirt. I mean, it's just nasty, nasty, nasty. Oh well, back to cleaning the AC. Yep, just another part of my luxurious RV lifestyle. Oh, goodness. All that dirt. Fun, fun, fun. I wish I'd have brought up a toothbrush. Okay, ice is all melted off. And I took this baby bottle brush. Baby bottle brushes make pretty good cleaners for coils. Let's see, I'll get up on the edges too here. You just have to be careful with them because you don't want to smash him down or anything. So there, that one's all cleaned out. I can't believe this. Oh my gosh. And there's all the dirt that came out of the squirrel cage. Part of it is inside the RV too. Okay, the inside coil's clean. I already did it. Oh, that's nasty. Oh my gosh. Let's take a look at these. Oh yeah, those are dusty too. You can see the dust just brushing off of it. This is where I should have my shop vac. Up here so I could just blow it out. But I don't. Oh yeah, you can see how dirty it is on this side. Oh man. Good old blowout with a shop vac would be great. But I don't have the energy to hook up an extension cord, bring up the shop vac, all that stuff. It's just all this dust in the air. I may have to come back up in a month or so and do this again. And of course, we have a little whiner, don't we? Huh? We have an unhappy camper. Birdie. Birdie, look up. Up here. Birdie. Woohoo. Look up. Look up. Carlos is looking up. My recycle stuff there. Hi, Birdie. She can't. Birdie, really? You can't find me? There you go. You finally found me. Took you a while there, silly girl. You're okay. It's cooler out here than it is inside. Okay, back to work. Oh my gosh. And you know what I didn't do that I'm kicking myself over? I didn't put a tarp on my floor. Oh, that was so stupid. Let me see if I can just kind of reach in here and just wipe a lot of that out. Yeah. That's just going to be mud. Oh yeah. Sorry, I'm not even showing it. It's just mud. Ick. Getting some more paper towel here. See, it's hard to do this and hold the phone at the same time. And try to get the full effect of everything I'm doing. I can't do it that way. Dirty paper towel. More paper towel. Oh my goodness, my goodness. What a mess. Be careful of that thing there. Oh, I don't think I can reach in on this side. No, I'll have to hose it. Okie dokie. Look at all that dust on there too. This is really bad. Every spring and every fall, this should be done. Don't know. If I turn the camera this way, maybe it'll pick it up. And then I can flip the video on the editing program. I don't think it's really showing anything but black. Turn it off so I don't flood my RV. I didn't put a tarp down at first, so now my carpet runners are all wet, but fortunately I use carpet rubber-backed carpet runners along with regular carpet runners. But still, I should have put a tarp down. I did when I went in, but I didn't at first, and I should have. So let's see what this track looks like. That's nasty. Look at all that. That was for my squirrel cage. And it looks like my weep hole might be a little bit clogged. There we go. Oh yeah, all that dirt settling in. Phew. Oh yeah. The lovely life of an RV, or the luxurious life in an RV. Birdie, you're fine. She says, no, I'm not. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm going to have to get off the roof and go pick her up. Birdie, I'm almost done. Does that count in your book? No. Where's the weep hole on this side? I can't even find it. Okay, well, I'm going to finish up here. I don't know why this camera shows everything so dark all the time. But anyhow, okay. Birdie, hold on. I got the track cleaned out. Got the coils cleaned. And all I have to do is just, you have to be careful though. Just lift this up and put it back on the track. Ew, look at the slime. That's gross. Ew. Ew, the slime, the slime. I gotta clean up these things too. With the towel dripping. See, that goes inside my RV. Okay, so I'm gonna clean up this slime, put it all back together again. Okay, I would have shown the reassembly of the AC, but I didn't have a tripod up here. It's kind of an emergency to get it done, so I got it done. Got my roof dirty, darn it. Just resealed it a couple days ago. But I still have to reseal that spot because that's where the AC's been draining. And unfortunately, I scraped this right here. So I guess I'll go ahead and put another coat of coating over that too. I guess I did it with one of those metal panels. So anyhow, yeah. Now we can turn the AC back on and get my shadow out of the way. Now we can turn the AC back on and get the dogs cooled down. Whoa, what a job. I was not expecting to get up at 6 a.m. to do this. Okay, yep, the glamorous RV life. Yes, sir, yes, Margaret. The glamorous RV life. Yes, sirree, Bob. Okay, y'all take it easy. Live the life you love. Thanks for watching. Bye.